Hey. Can't be like you. What? Can you teach me how to do it? You know why? Cause all the bitches love. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. You back it up and dump it, yeah. Put your arms out front, legs side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit the ground. Ain't nobody fucking with my boy from all around. He go by brother, and he hit that my son. I ain't from Dallas, but I detail biggie. I show my moves on the everybody trying to see me. I lead the function and all the ladies trying to see me. Now you just you like to wake it up, so you have to make it feel this. Little pieces right now, set up where someone from I was hard to say I love the truth, but it's never come from mine. So I'm telling you I love you one more time. And you're fine.
Bago.
Let's talk to Adrian. Let's talk to everyone.
Everyone, not only.
Yeah,
For all the people.
Better to talk Adrian to him girlfriend.
Don't talk ko kayo. Asin.
It's really hard to have a very thesis. We are going to in the library.
Yeah, every day in National Library. It's so expensive to us.
Yeah, we are
Our
going.
transportation. Oh gosh.
We are going to pay 50 pesos for the card.
No way, man.
You know, Ma'am Enrique.
Hey, nigga, what's up? Your accent's like a G.
Let's be serious.
Yo.
Ma'am Enrique, if you are watching today, we see in all the people all over the world. It's very hard to do thesis
And to go every day.
and to go in the library, National Library.
Yeah, you are right. But
Yeah.
we need to finish that because that's our requirement and part of our curriculum.
But Ma'am Enrique is very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am or mang?
Yeah, you say everything.
What did you say? Ma'am or mang?
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
And
But we want to say to Ma'am Enriquez.
I just want to say, Ma'am, I love you.
Yeah. You are the third party of Ma'am Enriquez.
You just know it right now?
Ano ba?
Oh, yesterday. Just continue our talking, people.
Because how did you feel when Chansey decided to break you?
Who's Chansey? Chansey? Chansey Sup Sup? Who's Chansey?
Thank you
Him
so
girlfriend.
much.
Her girlfriend.
You don't sleep at night when you realize that she was gone like this.
Ah, that's
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
You have a power like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
So just one click of your eye,
Bakit,
all the
Wait,
are the
you're speaking Tagalog, ha?
Is it hurt to you?
lower. Yeah. Lower. And sometimes what do you feel? It's gonna be something like this.
Hey,
And,
sup, nigga?
you feel in love to the girl who is on you today, right? And are you big? No. Kangaroo.
What is that?
Kangaroo.
Ah,
It's like
kangaroo.
the land of kangaroo. That is why and you know, sometimes you are feeling in love to the
Girl, we no love in with you.
yes. It's really hard to love the girl today. Mr. Hendon, can you tell us your experiences with other girls? I have a lot of experience with a girl.
Oh.
You know? Sometimes you
What experience? What kind of experience?
No, I just start playing.
Change topic. Parental guidance. Change topic.
The following program is not suitable for very young audience.
Parental guidance.
It's advice. Do you know the feeling that a girl you love just
Background music. Background music. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mamaya MTV tayo.
Rick Jason.
Alam mo.
What about Sensi dyan? Don't you have any Sensi songs for
Hey, tapusin ko na to.
Wag ako, hindi ako nagtutugtog.
Pare, hindi eh. Hindi ako. Dapat may ano ba yung sinasabi mo pag nag-iiwa?
Ten, ten, ten! Grabe ang pawis ko. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Jackson, kung ako nakikita mo, nagluluto ako ngayon ah. Ay, hindi ako nagluluto, naghihiwa. Siya ang magluluto. Ayan o. Sarap na luluto. Ano lulutuin natin pare? Caldereta with queso. Oh, caldereta with queso.
Ano sabi mo kay Japson ba? Wala si Japson, nangindiyan na naman tayo.
Wala ka Mr. Johnson. Sayang ka.
Sarap niyan ba, kinamay mo?
Oh,
Eh, di ba kalaro lang natin, no?
naghugas naman ako ng kamay. Spread over.
So, pero bigyan mo kami ng tips pagluto ng ano. Ay, tamang pag-iwa na lang.
Ha?
Tamang pag-iwa.
Pag-iwa.
Oo. Tips dyan. Parang hindi mahiwa yung kamay eh.
Ayan.
Ang ginawa mo?
Parang baby. Wala, okay na yan.
Parang dami naman.
Sabi niya, no? Pinag-talaga natin para...
Ano, pare, anong part yan?
Pero may luto ako talaga nila eh. Perfect eh. Ito tayo. Breast.
Ay, sarap yan.
Sarap to. Tumatawag ata sa akin.
Sa'yo ba yun?
Oo. Tumatawag sa akin ha, babalik ako. Isa muna. Yun yung bright spot.
Yun,
Una.
tiga.
Mantika. Second step, igisa ang carrot and potato.
Yun. Yun na.
Palalambutin muna natin siya. After nyan, tanggalin natin.
Yun.
Hindi ba bawang muna yun?
Pare, pinagpapawisan.
Mainit ate mo. Papalang
Ayan, malambot na.
siya.
Upload nga agad to. Ano sunod, Son? Oh, pare, saan ka galing? Call center ka.
May kinausap ako. Speaking of call center, Mr. Johnson is call center.
Uyas. Ang iingay ng mga papakainin, ah.
Hey,
Ang mga papakainin. Pare, naka-video kayo. Kwentuhan pa kayo, ah. Ano ba? Ano sabi mo?
lagi ka mo. Next step,
Mga pare.
third step naman na to.
Makaway na.
Para malaman kung luto yung sibuyas, kailangan transparent na siya.
Yun.
Third step, fourth step na ba, diba? Third.
Third.
Manok.
Wala pa ba yan, boss?
Ito. Uugasan ko na lang.
Sabunin mo para malinis, pare. Sabunin mo para malinis.
Sasabunin ko para malinis. Ano na, sir? Ito na po, sir.
Na, kumakanta pa. Bakit?
Itong manok po, kailangan bibigay.
Hindi yan tagal niyan kung isa-isa mong pigay niyan ba?
Please, mali na eh. Dryer mo, pare.
It's clean, I washed it.
Dryer ka.
Bak, sunog na ba? Wala pa rin yung manok mo.
Kaso tingnan nyo yung yung manok. Iba ang kulay, parang ilang araw na.
Pare boy. Pare, ikaw na lang inaantay nito, pare, oh.
Sabi nga, pare.
Ay, toktong, ganyan na luto. Walang ano yan, walang right, ano yan, right click. Bak, ano?
Ayun na, marami na.
Ikaw na lang inaantay, pre. Alis na tayo.
Lalagay mo na ba?
Oo, pare, ikaw na inaantay.
Una. Ate.
Bilangan ba? Sige.
Panghuli.
Kaya, binibilang para pantay-pantay.
Share tong ano nyo bahay parang condo by hot water.
Pare, kaya mainit yan.
Pag nakaganyan,
Nangaling tapat na, pare.
kaya kaganito, malamig. Oo, tingnan mo, hindi, totoo. Magbilang tayo.
Uno. Dora.
Ikaw na magbilang. Ano bakit? Ganun ba ako? Wala ano muna. O yan, bilangan mo na.
Bibilangin pa.
Hindi, para ano.
Ano ba? Ano ba? Ay. Tignan mo luto na.
Yan.
At is ba yan? Tignan mo.
Hindi, huwag kayo may. Ilan?
Binibilang pa lang, pare.
Lalaki na to. Diba? Kaya nga, bilang. Para bilangin mo. Bakit? Para na alam natin kung ano na.
Ang luto na lang ba? Look. Bye, bye.